Welcome to Around the Wood. Please get ready and fasten your seatbelts because you are all about to embark on an exciting journey. So sit back, enjoy, and watch until the end. The tree cutting machines you're about to see are from all around the world, and I've gathered them all in this one video. Please watch it all the way through, and leave a comment if there's any tree cutting machine I haven't mentioned. Guys, take a look. It seems so easy just watching it, right? That chainsaw looks razor sharp. This is the Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II chainsaw. Many people say this is one of the best automatic tree cutting machines in its class. But is it true? Powered by the X-Torque engine, it delivers high fuel efficiency. This tool packs enough power to fell large trees with precision. Its automatic slide system is designed to reduce user strain, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of use. It's perfect for forestry professionals looking for speed and durability. If any of you are thinking about getting one, drop a comment below. Next, Echo CS 800P. The Echo CS 800P is the top choice for those who need serious power in a relatively compact size. Equipped with an 80.7 cubic centimeter engine and an automatic slide system, it delivers outstanding performance when it comes to felling trees. Built with durable materials, the Echo CS 800P is made to withstand tough working conditions. It's perfect for large-scale forestry projects. We can all see, with the size of the blade on this chainsaw, it looks like it'd be a breeze to cut through big trees, right? This here is the Stihl MS 881 Magnum, a heavy-duty tree-cutting machine with incredible cutting power. It's equipped with an automatic slide-based cutting system that makes heavy-duty jobs a lot easier. The MS 881 is designed to tackle large trees, even in hard-to-reach forest areas. With low-emission control and anti-vibration technology, it's a favorite among professionals worldwide. Now, the real question: if we were to take on the Yggdrasil tree, guarded by Loki himself, do you think this beast would do the job? Next, Makita EA7900PRZ1. The Makita EA7900PRZ1 offers unmatched efficiency when it comes to felling large trees. With its automatic slide system and sharp blade, this tool works quickly, without compromising on performance. One of its standout features is its lightweight design, making it easy to control even during heavy-duty tasks. Next, Redmax GZ7100. The Redmax GZ7100 is one of the most durable tools on the market. Powered by a 71 cubic centimeter engine, it easily fells large trees with its automatic slide system. Its rugged design and fuel efficiency make it a popular choice among professionals. Next, Jonsard CS2255. The Jonsard CS2255 is built for professional use in forestry environments. This 55cc engine powerhouse is designed to fell large trees with precision. Thanks to its automatic slide system. It also features clean power engine technology, which offers improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for heavy-duty work. Next, Tanaka TCS51 EAP. Next, Dolmar PS7910. The Dolmar PS7910 is a powerful tree-cutting machine designed for large-scale projects in the forestry industry. Its 79 cubic centimeter engine delivers ample power to cut through big trees in no time. Equipped with an automatic slide system and anti-vibration technology, this tool is comfortable to use even for long hours of heavy work. Next, Shindaiwa 757. Next, Greenworks Pro 80V. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.